Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to compare the Geekbench GPU comparison test between the Realme X1 Max versus iQOO 7 device. And this is my first time doing this kind of GPU test, friends. Usually, every time I'll try to do the Geekbench test, I'll try to concentrate only on the CPU. But recently, few of the users, they want to know how is the GPU is performing with the Geekbench test. That's what I'm going to demonstrate, comparing the Dimensity 1200 versus Snapdragon 870 chipset. Till now, I did not do this kind of testing, friends, in the iQOO 7 device as well. So even I'm not sure what will be the overall scores we can actually expect in the iQOO 7 and in the Snapdragon 870 and in the Dimensity processors. So this is completely new for me as well. So let's see what will be the scores overall between these both phones, which is running the Realme UI 3.0 and the Fun Touch UI 12 only. It's not, 11, not 12, because still I did not receive any kind of Android 12 update in my device, unfortunately. Right now, let me to open the compute option, and this is a GPU test which we'll be utilizing here. So compute benchmark measures the performance of the GPU, that it clearly mentioned. So before I used to test only the CPU. Now let's see, friends, using this kind of GPU testing, so what will be the benchmark test between these both phones, how much we can actually expect, 1, 2 and 3. So that's what I'm going to check in this exactly in this video. And this test will go on for a couple of minutes, I think sometime. Then we'll be able to find out exactly the result. Right now, the Realme X1 Max is finishing the test faster than the iQOO 7 device, as you can see, friends, clearly. So Realme has got the Mali GPU, and whereas the iQOO 7 will be having the Adreno GPU. You can clearly see the GPU Mali G77 GPU and the Adreno, I think, 650 GPU, which is clearly mentioned on the back side. You can clearly see here. Let's see, friends, which phone will be having what kind of results. So during this process of demonstration, which we got the score about 5615 in the Realme X1 Max, and still iQOO 7 is going on with the test, with the GPU testing. Let's see what we can actually expect in this kind of performance. OpenCL score, that's what it is called in the Geekbench. And this is my first time doing, friends, and in the iQOO 7 device we got about 3688 in the Adreno 650 GPU, as you can clearly see. Comparing both phones regarding the GPU performance. So usually in the CPU segment, the iQOO 7 will be having really high scores, but in the GPU segment, the Realme X1 Max has got really high score, 5615, as you can clearly see, friends. And I need to concentrate even on other smartphones as well, how the other phones are actually behaving with this kind of GPU testing. So very soon I'll try to plan making on other smartphones. Let me know in the comment section below what other phones you want me to compare, definitely. But right now it feels really huge difference between these two phones in terms of the Geekbench test results, GPU, only GPU. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Until next day, to more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, bye.